Okay, so this video is for you guys that wanted more footage from the FPV feed. I didn't think there was going to be that much interest in that, but apparently a lot of you guys don't like the FPV feed from the Split Mini. There's going to be some daytime footage here, and at the end there's going to be some nighttime footage, just some flights that I took earlier, and these are just the default settings. I believe if you change the camera settings for the HD camera, the FPV feed will also change as well, but these are just the default settings.